In this video, you'll learn how to create a Base44 account. By following these steps, you will successfully set up your account and be ready to start building applications. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to Google. You can do this by typing www.com into the address bar and pressing enter. This action will take you to the Google homepage where you can search for Base44. Next, type Base44 into the Google search bar and hit enter once again. This will initiate a search for Base44, bringing up a list of results related to the service. You'd see a variety of links associated. After the search results load, look for the link labeled Base44, build apps with AI in minutes. Click on this link to proceed to the Base44 website. The page that loads should prominently feature information about building applications with Base44. Once on the Base44 website, scroll down the page until you find the option labeled Start Building. This button will allow you to begin the account creation process. Clicking on it will lead you further into the setup. Now, you will see a button that says Create Your Account. Click on this button to access the account registration form. It is important to ensure that you have a reliable internet connection, as a slow connection may affect how quickly this page loads. When the registration form appears, you will have the option to enter your email address. If you wish to create an account using your email, type it into the designated field. This step is optional, and you can also choose to sign up using other methods. Next, you will see a field for entering your password. Again, this step is optional if you prefer to sign up using Google. If you choose to create a password, ensure it meets any specified requirements for security. Alternatively, you can click on the button labeled Sign Up with Google. If you select this option, a new window will open, prompting you to choose your Google account. Make sure you have access to the account you wish to use. Once you have selected your Google account, you will be redirected to a consent screen. Click on the Continue button to allow Base44 to access your Google account information. This step is crucial for linking your new Base44 account with your Google account. After consenting, you will be taken back to the Base44 site, where you will see a prompt asking, what will you build today? This indicates that your account setup is complete and you're now ready to begin building applications using Base44. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.